Whoop! Alright guys, welcome to another vlog. This is gonna be an interesting one. So I was on my way to Max Sticker Supply to get the new wrap design. So I heard this sounded like came from my engine, and then I pulled over. I couldn't find anything, but guess something blew in the engine because I have no AC now. So I parked the car, I went there, I did all the designs of the wrap and everything, and then I came in and this is what happened. So as you can tell, my AC is on max. I can even put it on max. It's 31 degrees out right now, as you can tell, and it's quite hot. On my way to Z Auto Service to get this sorted out. Hopefully it's just a small fix. By the way, make sure to check him out down below on Instagram. He's a great mechanic, and mention that I sent you, so he will get you a great deal. Okay, so something is definitely broken. I'm not sure if the microphone can catch the sound, but let me show you. I'm not sure if the microphone is catching that, but there's this like sound that like something is torn off or something is broken whenever I rev the car. So we're gonna take it easy. We're gonna go to Z Auto as slow as possible, but as soon as possible before something bad happens, because I have no idea what happened.
One eternity later.
Okay, so my charge pipe is definitely very dirty. Okay, I think I can see it.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
So today's video is sponsored by me and the subscribe button. If you like these videos, definitely consider subscribing. There's a lot more content that's coming up with this car and other sick cars. There's a lot more that we are doing for this series of videos. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell so that you'd be notified every time I upload a new video, and share it with your friends. Let's get back to the video. This belt that is turn off the car. So I think that's the same belt that broke in my 5 Series once. Exact same one. I was stranded on the highway. Oh my god, look at that. So what can we do, bro?
Change the pulley oil seal, and
Okay.
then change the front bar, wash engine, and then we try it.
Okay. For this, I really like this lip. Comment down below, let me know whether I should get that lip for my car. Okay, we are checking the gas of the AC, see whether I have any AC gas left. It would be funny if I don't, because I filled it up 2 months ago. Let's go ahead and start the car up, turn on the AC. It looks like there's no gas. Bro, I think if there is no gas, the line is broken.
Something is leaking.
Yeah, because I filled this up a few months ago. Broken belts, pulley, and AC somehow. I don't know how those are related, but good for me. Getting brand new parts for the engine. Oh,
This is the aircon hose.
aircon hose.
Yeah, here the leaking.
Okay. Man, I love this car, seriously. A car that doesn't give you troubles is not a car, right?
Yeah.
Not a good car. Okay, so we are changing the pulley oil seal. This is the tip-top condition belts which broke my aircon hose. So we installed the new oil seal. This is the old one. You can tell it's Whoop! Nothing 4K.
Did it hit you in the nose?
No, here. Yeah. Glad it's
Oh,
rubber.
that was perfect timing. I'm gonna stand behind here in the shield of the cover.
Why are you hiding there?
I don't want anything hitting me in my neck, you know what I mean? Whoop! So I'm just gonna take some cover behind the hood here.
What happened to men? Oh my god, I just realized that these tips are fake. Wow. Actually a stock exhaust. You can tell that he drives the car pretty hard. Always love seeing banged up tires. Perfect.
Whoop!